Do you still speak English word by word? If you do, it's making you sound robotic, even if your grammar is perfect. Many learners have been taught to pronounce every single word clearly, but native speakers don't like that. We don't say Bob is on the phone. We say Bobby is on the phone. Smooth, connected, and natural. Here's the secret. Native speakers don't think in words. They think in sound groups. Small chunks of sound that flow together. For example, Bob is on the phone is Bobby's on the phone. It's like peanut butter. Smooth, flowing, and continuous.
What is that? You mean this? It's peanut butter.
Now, let's talk about intonation, the music of your sentence. In English, we use staircase intonation. Each sound group steps slightly downward. It makes you sound calm, confident, and native. For example, Bob is on the phone. She works in an office. I'm going to the store. If you want to sound natural, you have to connect word and master intonation. On this page, I teach you new techniques, things you don't find in traditional grammar books. Follow for more real-world English speaking tips.